Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. On this lovely day, we are driving our 1967 Chevy Camaro RS Edition. Now with this Camaro, not only is it beautiful, but it is an RS. It has the SS style hood, hideaway headlights, got the rally style wheels, got a beautiful red paint job, and it has a spoiler in the back. For our interior, we have our old-fashioned gauges. This was a factory AC vehicle. As you can see by the vents and underneath the hood, you'll see all the AC components. Old Delco radio. One of the nice features I like is they kept the old-fashioned clock, 2-speed power glide, and the wonderful one-of-a-kind 327 under the hood. And the two ways you can tell the 327 is by the ME code on the front stamp of the car, which does believe to match the VIN number, but you can also know that it has that very distinctive sound that comes out the back, which is why I love a 327. In fact, even though they only lasted up 100,000 miles, you can always rebuild them, make them into what you want, maybe make the car a little bit more powerful. Any other add-on additions to this vehicle are that it does have power windows, and besides that, the power top. But this car is just one of a kind. Really nice cruiser car. Love the wooden wheel they put on it. And yep, one of America's favorite vehicles. Anyway, now we're gonna get her turned around, up on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.